I see God in animals and Vantara is my temple. He is the visionary for saving the wildlife. He has a heart of gold. He has lightened up the forest with new candles of hope. Jio Jio Vantara, Jio Jio Ananta, Jio Jio Vantara, Jio Jio Vantara, Jio Jio Ananta. Hey, 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 hey. Taking the grandfather's baton and continuing the legacy. He has established the conservation for heal and relieving ecosystem, and he created the Vantara with his divine wife Radhika, and he created the Vantara with his divine wife Radhika. Jio Jio Vantara, Jio Jio Ananta. Yes, he is the grandchild of commitment. He created the scope, wildlife sanctuary and hope with experts, GURUJI and science. Let care in line, securing the future of wildlife. Yes, yes. Jio Jio Vantara, Jio Jio Vantara, Jio Jio Ananta. He elevated the green sun. He is the king of a human forest. He redefined mother's ideology of Vasudhaiva Kutumbakam. Jio Jio Vantara, Jio Jio Vantara, Jio Jio Ananta. He is the start of